Hi, Joe Ruzich, Synergy Physical Therapy Wellness here. Wanted to show you one of my favorite little quick tricks for neck pain. You know, almost everybody who has neck pain tells me that it's worse at night, it's worse when I'm sleeping, it's worse when I wake up. A lot of that's because we don't really have the right amount of support for our neck. And what I want to show you is a simple trick. I show this to most of my patients with neck pain. You'll take a small towel, like a small bath towel. What you can do is roll it up. So it's about 2 feet long, about as long as your pillow. So you make a nice little roll like that. Again, it's not too thick. What you're going to do next is you're going to tuck that into a pillow. You want to put that down in the bottom part. See how that's in the bottom part of that pillow? Just like that, all right? Then when you go to lie down, I'll show you how to do this. Steve's going to lie down on the pillow here. And what you want to do when you're going to lie down is you want that to make like a little cradle for your neck. You want it to kind of be like right up under that. It works if you sleep on your back or your side. But let's show them the side next, Steve. We'll go the other way, will you? Just so I can show them how it cradles. So really what you want to do is adjust that so that roll is kind of right in that neck area right there, all right? You don't want it up here. You want it about as low as you can get it, right above the shoulder blades, okay? It's going to support your neck. You're shooting for kind of keeping your neck in a straight position when you sleep, okay? That's what we're trying to do. It's a really easy, simple tip. And if this works for you, if you find that the towel roll is really beneficial, you can go ahead and buy something that is even made for that. There's something called the McKenzie, M-C-K-E-N-Z-I-E, cervical roll that I use myself all the time, just preventatively. It has about the exact right shape and size and consistency. So you can find it on Amazon and other sources. Hope this helps.